Hi guys, I am here to give you a little bit of help with your homework tonight. We have spent the past week and a half learning how to solve a system of equations. We first learned to solve by graphing, then substitution, and finally elimination. Now we get to the fun stuff and see how we can apply our skills to real-world problems. So let's get started. Your homework tonight has problems involving tickets, coins, mystery numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to step through a problem involving ticket numbers together, and so that will hopefully get you on your way. A movie theater charges $5 for an adult ticket and $2 for a child ticket. One Saturday, the theater sold 785 tickets for $3,280. How many adult and child tickets were sold for the movies on Saturday? So we're going to use our list of steps to kind of help us figure out where to begin with this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight the important information in the problem. So if we go back and we take a look at our problem, we can go through and highlight the important information. So a movie theater charges $5 for an adult ticket, so $5 for an adult ticket, and $2 for a child ticket. On Saturday, the theater sold $785 for a total of $3,280. Next, we're going to define our variables. Let's say that x is equal to the number of adult tickets sold, and we'll say that y is equal to the number of child tickets sold. The next step is to write two equations. If we look back at our problem, we see that there was a total number of tickets sold of 785. So that means that the number of adult tickets plus the number of children's tickets sold is 785. So there's our first equation. X plus y is equal to 785. Our next equation is going to come from the cost for each of the different types of tickets. So if every adult ticket is $5, the total for adult tickets sold is 5 times x. So our next equation is going to be 5x plus the number or the amount sold for children's tickets. Since every child's ticket is $2, 2 times y will give us that total. So 5x plus 2y is equal to the grand total of money that they made that day, so $3,280. So now we have our two equations. Our next step is to use one of the methods for solving a system of equations. So if we think back to the different ways that we've solved, we probably don't want to use graphing for this particular problem. Neither of these equations are already in slope-intercept form, so it'd probably be easier to either use substitution or elimination. So for this example, let's go ahead and use elimination. And so as I look at my two equations, I can easily multiply through this top equation, let's say by -2. -2, I end up with -2x minus 2y equals -1,570. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy down my second equation underneath. So we have 5x plus 2y equals 3,280. And I'm going to go ahead and add those two equations together. When I do that, my y variables cancel, and I'm left with 3x is equal to 1,710. Now I have a one-step equation, and all I need to do is divide both sides by 3, and I can solve the equation. X is equal to 570 tickets. So I'm going to take that value, and I'm going to go back to one of my original equations, and I'm going to substitute my value for x in and solve for y. So we'll do that here. So if x is equal to 570, we can put it into this first equation. X plus y equals 785. I'm going to sub my value in. 570 plus y is equal to 785. And if we subtract 570 from both sides, we get an answer of y equal to 215. Okay, so now my ordered pair, my solution here is x is equal to 570 and y is equal to 215. Our next step is to check your answers by substituting your ordered pair into the original equation. Okay, we're going to use one of our original equations of 5x plus 2y is equal to 3,280, and we're going to use our solution of 570 and 215, and we're going to see if our solution is correct. So for our x and y, we're going to plug in our values from our solution. So 5 times 570 plus 2 times y, which is 215, is equal to 3,280. Okay, so 5 times 570 is 2,850, and 2 times 215 is 430. If I add 2,850 plus 430, I see that my sum is 3,280, and both sides of my equation are equal, so I know that my solution is correct. My last step is to answer the question in the real-world problem. My original problem asks how many adult and child tickets were sold for the movies on Saturday. We're going to write our answer in the context of the problem. So our ordered pair of 570, 215 means that there were 570 adult tickets sold and 215 child tickets sold on Saturday. Congratulations, guys. We've solved our first problem. Use the steps that I've outlined as a model for solving the rest of your homework problems. So good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.